First lesson together, all three little pigs. Say hi, Ben. Did you have a good lesson? Where'd you go? Did you have a good lesson? Good. Jessie. Jessica. Jessica. Jessie, turn around. 要唔要水啊? Jessie? You gonna swim, Jessica? Maybe not. Okay, say bye, Ben. Wave bye. Jessica, bye.